Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to downloading a video editing software free and register it free. So today we are going to download VideoPad video editor. So first of all you need to go to Google and search NCH NCH uh, VideoPad video editor. You can see from here, and you can go to their site and just moment, so you can download from here. uh, Download for Windows, you can download. So you can see the exe file is downloading from here, and just a moment. uh, so after finish downloading, uh, so you need to open that one and start uh, installing this software. So you can put it here, yes. So you need to go, I accept the license terms. You can select that one and put to next. So it is a small software, so it is installing. You can see two icons here coming on your screen. So just moment until finish installing. So after finish installing, you can see it is opening the software. So you can now close the this uh, one, and after you need to get started. Now already software is installed, so now you need to register. We need to see how to register this software. So you can go to the menu, and you can go register for VideoPad. From here you can see register for VideoPad. So they are asking VideoPad registration code, VideoPad registration code. So I have this code. So just uh, just a moment, now I will show you. Just type this code, just type this code. I will show in my description this code. So just copy this code and go again, menu, and register video pad, and paste paste and register. So you can see registration already accepted, registration successful, thank you for registering VideoPad video editor. So you can press continue, and later you can select um, close this one, and now you can select, um, you can do your video editing after now. So thank you for watching this video. There are many tools here. So in these tools, how to use step by step, and how to edit videos step by step, I will explain in the next video clip. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and if you like it, please share